To look your best without makeup, wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser, then apply a moisturizer. If possible, use a moisturizer that contains SPF to minimize sun damage. Gently exfoliate your face with a washcloth or an exfoliating scrub once a week to every 2 to 3 days to remove dead skin. When you're done cleaning your face, apply an alcohol-free toner to help restore your skin's natural pH balance and reduce the appearance of pores. Avoid touching your face as much as possible to prevent irritation and breakouts. If you do break out, treat any pimples with a gel or cream containing benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. Your overall health can also affect how your skin looks, so take care of yourself by getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, drinking plenty of water, and eating a well-balanced diet.